Hello everyone, welcome to Daily Market Review. We will go through our positions and how the Nifty behaved for the day. First, let's look at the Nifty, how it behaved for the day. It has been highly volatile and Nifty moved up almost towards 15,900 and it stayed put for more than half of the day. And in the later part of the day, it fell drastically almost 100 points. It has been such a high volatile day, it almost felt like a roller coaster for us. At one point in time, our portfolio was showing more than 7,000 rupees loss. But we had conviction towards our trades. That's why we have been able to end up in profits. In this video, we will look at how the live action panned out and what is the reason behind our conviction. This video will help our viewers in having a trading mindset. Let's look at the live action. Now we are looking at the pre-opened positions. We have already taken overnight positions yesterday and we are at minus 1500 rupees. We will wait for the pre-open rates to settle and let the market open. Then we will decide on the further course of action. The market has just opened and market has opened pretty flat. Hopefully if it trades flat, we should be able to gain a very good theta decay towards the day. As it is Tuesday, we could get a very good theta decay as well. Let's try to hold this position throughout the day and try to gain more profits before end of the day. That's the plan for the day. The time is 10:15 and the market is trending higher. So what we will do is we will square up the lower put option position, which is at 15,650. And we will roll up the lower position towards 15,700. So if in case 15,900 is breached again, then we will roll up again. So as a first step, we will roll up towards 15,700 with a higher lot size of 7 lots. At the higher end, we have sold only 5 lots, but we are trying to sell 7 lots at the lower end. If in case 15,900 is breached, we will look for further adjustments. From the margin management standpoint, we will add hedge in the lower side as well, so that the margin which is consumed for taking the position will be very less, and we will be able to add more positions if required if market moves further against us. That's the plan for the day. We will wait it out for some more time. The time is 12 o'clock. The markets almost breached 15,900, which is not at all expected today. And we are almost at a loss of 7,000 rupees at the higher level, but we will still try to hold these positions for the day. I believe there could be minor corrections, at least 20 to 30 points corrections, so that we can make other adjustments and then manage for the day. Let us look at the reasons why we want to hold to our positions. So I have entered all the position details here. So even our break even is almost around 15,950 on the highest side. So the market is trading around 15,900. So even if it goes towards 15,950, we are not going to lose anything. It will be a break even only. And even if it goes towards that, we will be able to roll up the put options and we will be able to manage our positions towards 16,000 as well. So that is the reason why we are having good conviction and we are able to hold the psychology and then the positions as well. So let's wait for some more time. It's almost 2:20 p.m. Thanks to tax collection data, so the market has trending lower and we are at almost 4,000 rupees loss, which is better than 7,000 rupees loss. If market is not going to break 15,900 and if it trades between 15,850, we will still hold these positions and try to carry overnight. Market has gone down very well, almost at 15,800 levels now. And let's look at the Nifty, what has happened on the Nifty. So the Nifty has been very volatile and it has been such a roller coaster day for us. So if we look at the fall, like it has happened in the last 1 hour. For the last 1 hour, the India VIX should have gone up by at least 10% if the fall is almost 100 points. But it has not happened. So we will try to carry the positions overnight. I think Nifty is going to be range bound for this week. That's the market wrap for today. Thanks for watching.